Yeah, you know what's going on when you see this. So, what's been going on recently is I'm pretty sure my tire rod went out. And the reason why I say this is so whenever you test for wheel bearing, tire rod, or ball joint play, is side to side, but up and down doesn't. Like side to side makes noise, but up and down doesn't. That's your tire rod. If up and down makes noise, but side to side doesn't, that could be a ball joint. If it's all making a lot of play all around and it's just shaking all over the fucking place, that's your fucking wheel bearing. But all I'm getting is side to side play, but nothing up and down. And I've had a really bad alignment to a point where my steering has been off center and to center it, like the wheels. So I'm pretty sure my tire pods are yet again probably toasted. But I got a few parts already. One of the boxes came fucking mangled as shit. So I was kind of pissed about that. That was this morning. Now there's a few more that's arrived that I'm about to open up. I'm hoping it's my sensors too, so we can get that done too in this video, because we're not going to be able to get the suspension until all the parts are here for that. And I have to get someone over here with a jack to come over here. I just put my hand on a fucking squished ass thing. Wow, that's disgusting. But yeah, let's go open up those other boxes and see what's in there. First things first, kind of how the other box came. That bitch just thrown around. But get that out of the way. I got a fucking, what is this? Pretty sure this is just one port of this tire rod. This is the inner tire rod, which has a lot of grease that kind of leaked out of it. It's okay, luckily we have fucking grease to grease this with. Two of these are left and right lower control arm, but unfortunately it's an OX, EX, or someone else, but I have a DX. But hopefully it works. It should work. I mean, the front ends are the fucking same on all these Hondas, really. But over here, don't mind the garage. I'm cleaning it up. There's a lot of like mess everywhere. Over here, we got all parts of Rock Auto. All this is from Rock Auto. That's one of the main things I order on. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up, see what's in it. I'm trying to. Let's see if I can do it. Fuck you. They took this to me literally earlier this morning. They sent me two of the same ones. So now I have another. Well, it's not the same earlier. I got two of Grams, fucking ironically Grams, but it was spelled differently. Grams MGs, which is like fucking 360 something. Now I got 357. Dennis is fucking International, which, I mean, hell, that's pretty fucking sick. But still, why you gotta send me two of these fuckers? Alright, let's see what's in here though. That's my objective, guys. Oh, these have some fucking nice little joints on them. God damn. I got the clip in there right there too. Thank you. We got there's a bug from Rock Auto there. Shit. I didn't order no bug, but another control, and this I'm pretty sure it's just my mask sensor. Yeah, let's see the nipple poking out there. Yep, that's just a little mask sensor. I'm pretty sure this other one is my O2 sensor. It's taking, so we're gonna do another one-handed opening. And actually, this one's gonna be a little more difficult. I'm not hitting the volume button. This one I did actually drop, but it's okay. God damn, what the fuck? As I was saying earlier, I did drop this one before I got interrupted. Oh my god. We're gonna have to do this another way. Hold up. fuel line connectors. Fucking what? Who? What the fuck? This don't look like an O2 sensor. What the fuck? So, this is apparently supposed to be a fucking ultra power O2 sensor, but what I got is adapters for a fuel line. I don't know, I'm gonna have to hit up Rock Auto with that one. So I guess we're not getting our O2 sensor the other day, that sucks. But that's okay, we got other shit we can do. One thing. Yeah, no, that sucks. We got 201 Adams Mazda built with the Rock Auto parts as well. But no, that's not what I thought it was at all. Shit. Well, turns out that it's the weekend and I didn't realize it was the weekend, so I'm gonna have to wait till Monday to go take care of that. Got a bunch of other stuff, but overall, I couldn't get around having to not take it there. So, I mean, it is what it is. Monday, I'll go return that. I got the old sensor out. This is the old one compared to the new one. They look a little different, but I feel like it will just work. This is the old one. I don't know if it's really too bad off, really. The focus. I don't know. But, you know, why not just do it? It was cheap. Make sure that everything is accurate. So this should just pop in. So what I do from here is just not get a click. It shouldn't fit in backwards, right? Okay. So it only fits in one way. I'm fully gonna. I don't know if that's fully gonna work. So I can see like a little bit of differences right here. And then it's almost the same exact size, so it should connect still. Just I don't know. It feels secure in there. This ain't a satisfying click. Let's see that. Alright, no. So, I was underneath my car, right? First of all, I think I ordered the wrong tire out. I don't know. We'll see whenever it gets here. Hopefully it's fine. Alright, I'll figure that out if so. But as I was looking, I found this wrapped up in my fucking... Yeah. The arm to the fucking rotor. It's the upper control arm. It's a pair of earplugs. Wrapped up in there. For fucking God knows how long, man. Yeah, it's on the other side too. Wrapped up into my tire rod. Huh? Tire rod too. Don't know fucking how, bro. I couldn't tell you how. Dude, what the fuck is... How? Oh good, my hands are turning into like sewer. Alright, freed up. I was gonna take this on a ride and see if that was my fucking issue. No way. This was wrapped up in my tire rods, bro. What the fuck? Alright. I'm gonna give the car a little bit of a start. I gotta check oil real quick. Hang on, check clean oil. Let it run with a new sensor. See if any codes pop up or anything like that. And then we're just gonna go. see what happens. I gotta check the other side too, but that was a pretty interesting climb.
Huh?
What? Dude. My tire rod in wasn't screwed in. That's all. It just completely broke loose. That's crazy. I literally just loosened my tire rod. Yep. Let me tighten this up. Noise is going away. Noise is almost gone. Are you fucking serious? That's all? That's all that happened? It's just the fucking mechanic couldn't tighten the fucking bolt? What is this pin, bro? Really, what is this pin doing for it? Well, I guess besides preventing a bolt from coming out, but still, what the fuck? I can fix this literally right fucking now. Alright, checked over all the fluids in the car. Looking good. Got the new sensor in like we just did. Good. Give her a good start. Also, got the tire rod tightened up down there pretty tight, so we'll see how it does for this drive. Kind of tell you the physically cool, I'm pretty sure. Drive 4 light going out again. Give it a second to warm up, see what happens. Alright, we made it to Dollar General, and I've actually had power steering throughout this whole time, which I mean, sometimes it's been off and on, but this whole trip I had power steering. I mean, granted, I only went 5-6 miles. That's about it. Anyways, check the tires real quick, and then we're gonna just get to it. Fucking on today. Yes, I'm still using my vice grip with all my windows. Oh, hi there. Yeah. Bro, I thought that popped in this one. Alright, hold on. After that drive, well, during that drive, my girlfriend went on break, so I went to go chill with her for the drive home. Not many issues really. The steering still feels loose, and I got little pops and like bumps and shit still, but that's mainly due to like the control arms and the bushings being out and shit, and the control arms being done as well. Dude, we really just did a bunch of random shit, really, just kind of preparing for next video. As y'all see what's about to come next. Control arms, tire rods. But fucking yeah, guys. Hope y'all enjoyed.